What's up, YouTube? So someone had left me a comment on the landscaping with rubber mulch video and had stated, hey, looks like you posted that video about 3 years ago. How's that mulch been holding up? So I thought I would give you a quick tour and just kind of show you where we have the rubber mulch everywhere, and we'll do some close-ups. But as you can see, it's the front of our house, and we've got kind of a paver walkway here. We just installed the central AC unit, and so there's quite a bit of mulch that got kicked out into the grass. So I got to go through and kind of clean up and everything. But you get kicked around, all that kind of stuff, and it's mixed with dirt, so it's got to kind of bring it up. And but you can see this side of the house here is the northern side of the house. So we'll get down real close, and you can see, other than being dirty, mulch is in really good shape. It does not look faded, and by contrast, I'll show you. Now this is mulch that we just had laid down along the property line, and you can see how dark that is, right? It's nice and black, and it's in the shade too, so it's gonna be tough to compare, but you can see how this mulch still looks really good. And you can see, you know, there are some more like sort of nugget chunks, and then every once in a while you'll get like a big long strip of mulch, but for the most part it is really nice and shredded. So this is the front area, and then right in front of our front door we have another bed, and this gets pretty much full sun all day, but you can see how well the color's holding up. And I believe rubberific, because this is the mulch, there you go, there's another nugget piece, provides a 10-year warranty. This gets a lot of sun too, so when it rains and this stuff gets wet, it deepens right up and gets very black. So all the daylilies are starting to come in, irises are starting to bud, and this is the other lower bed. And again, mulch is looking pretty good. So about 3 years in, full sun, and I've had 2 or 3 landscapers out here to quote us some work, and all 3 of them have said they had no idea that this was fake mulch. I mean, even up close it looks really good, and then stepping back, really hard to tell that that's rubber mulch. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave me a comment below.